Today I want to talk about top clause, which is used along with select to specify the number of records to return. Suppose that we have a table with millions of records. It's not efficient to run a query to get all of them when I want to get only, for example, 10 records. So we can use top. Top is used along with select. So we can say top 10 from order details. So instead of 518 records, we're gonna have just 10 records. Let's get another example from the product table. Top 10 and order by price. It's not also a good practice to use star when I want only 2 or 3 fields. So instead of using star, I just want product ID and product name, for example. Okay. I want also the price. So now I want to have top 10 expensive products. So I order by price descending, and then I'm using top 10, which is gonna give me the 10 most expensive products. See, the prices are sorted in the descending order of price. Instead of using top 10 or top any number to specify the exact number that we want, we can use also percent. So instead of 10, we're gonna have the 10%, which is gonna be 8 because we have 77 records in products, and the 10% of that would be 7.7, and then rounded to 8. So for example, I want to have 50%. 39 records I returned. We can also use limit, which has the same effect. So we can use limit, for example, 15. And you see that 15 records are returned. The difference between top and limit is that the limit has to be used at the end of the statement, unlike top, which is used at the beginning, exactly after select.